name is Huang. I'm the Consul General of the People's Republic of China in Medan. And we arrived in Aceh yesterday, and this is my second day. And it's my great honor to pay a visit to the government of Banda Aceh and have the opportunity to meet with Madam Mayor and the colleagues here. I arrived in Indonesia just 2 months ago, so my purpose of the visit to the Aceh province and Banda Aceh city is to get to know the officials because the host Sumatra is my consular district, so I should take time to visit every province and all the capitals of those provinces. And Aceh is the second province I have visited ever since my arrival in Indonesia.
And today is a great joy for all of us to welcome your presence here in Aceh, in Banda Aceh, a region that has a close and historical relationship with China. As we know, the ties between Aceh and China began centuries ago, filled with the inspiring tales of cooperation and mutual understanding. And during the golden age of the Aceh Sultanate, sailors and traders from China visited our land, bridging with the culture, knowledge, and trade that contribute to the prosperity of Aceh. Jadi harapannya kita bisa membangun kerjasama dengan China. Ya, kita sadar China sekarang luar biasa dari sisi pembangunan, teknologi, kemudian perkembangan ekonomi yang luar biasa, dan produk-produk yang dihasilkan China ini dipakai oleh seluruh dunia. Nah, itu sangat baik kalau nanti ke depan mungkin kita juga bisa bangun kerjasama baik di bidang pendidikan, di bidang budaya, kemudian juga bagaimana memajukan UMKM kita, kemudian dari sistem pemerintahan yang kita lihat secara infrastruktur dan sebagainya. Ya, kita ingin juga bisa maju seperti China saat ini, yang memang kemajuan dunia itu mungkin sekarang ini China udah lebih cepat dibanding negara-negara lain.